Well, the holiday shopping season is here, and of course, many of us are looking for bargains, and our lifestyle advisor, Don McCarthy, is here with 5 great deals that we can all be looking out for. Good to have you back.
Good to have you.
You've got some interesting choices. So
I do, and with the biggest holiday shopping weekend coming upon us, I have some deals. I know you love to bake and cook. You've got the kids coming home. This is Larder Vine, and this is an 8-piece bakeware set that is ceramic that basically nests into each other. So this is a beautiful cranberry. It comes in lavender, sage, a gray, but I love it because it's non-stick. I tend to like overcook things, tend to burn them, so I really love that about it. But this is a great gift to give someone if you're going to someone's house and you actually make muffins or do anything. It's a great gift to give them. Right now they have 20% off through till December 2nd, and then what they're going to do is if you're a new customer, you'll get an additional 15% off if you give them your email. But I love this. They're durable, they're dishwasher safe, they can go in your freezer. So let's say if you make something, you can put it in there as well. And again, I love it because it's space saving. I live in a condo. Anybody living in a smaller space, even if you have a large home and you kind of want to be organized, this is the way to go. Next, I know you love a good DIY, Amy, and this is, I brought back SUREBONDER, and I don't know if you've ever seen this before. This is the mini detail hot glue gun pen, and this is their glue stick roll. So this glue stick roll has over 5 feet in it, which I love, and because that way you don't have to keep redoing the
because
guns
normally
with the
you've got all those sticks.
But this is going to give you that precise handling, whereas it's got the little trigger with your finger. It's almost like a pencil that you can use. And right now, both of these are 25% off. They've got things online up to 30% off on the SUREBONDER website, making these all under $20. So it's a great gift to give someone.
Especially when they're crafters now. I have it. This is great.
It's really as precise. It's for small, intricate projects. And again, it's got the longer roll, which is also on sale.
Yeah, because you hate to have to reload those sticks.
No, I hate reloading the sticks. Next, we have HELIGHT. This is the gift of sleep. So I don't want you to put this up to your face. This is going to go on your nightstand, but I don't know if you can see this. This has got some red light to it. You're just going to turn this little button on. This is going to help you sleep deeper, faster with this award-winning NASA-inspired red light sleep therapy device. It's got a 28-minute protocol. You're going to put it on for 14 minutes, then it's going to fade out for 14 minutes, and it helps your body basically naturally wind down by triggering the melatonin release by just a touch of a button. I travel with this. I absolutely love it. I put it right by my nightstand. It's really lightweight. It's got a great little travel bag. So anybody that travels on your list, I know one of our producers here travels a lot with jet lag and things like that. And this is also for the people that don't want to take any vitamins or supplements or anything like that, that they can do that. But this is great. This is the red light. I love that. Next up, I've got something for the little ones. This is from 0 to 5 years old. This is little yoga socks, and I love this about them. So a lot of their stuff on their site right now is up to 50% off, and this is going to help the kids walk better. They're not going to slip. Everyone has tile and wood floors and things like that. So this is going to keep them safer. They want kids walking barefoot, so this is a safety issue for them. You want to reduce the falls and stuff that they're having. They come in a multitude of colors, excuse me. For girls, boys, they're a great stocking stuffer. It promotes, you know, for their first steps, any active play. Again, babies and toddlers, if anybody's had anyone, you don't know what to get them, they're 50% off. And I did forget, HELIGHT over here is up to 30% off right now as well. Again, I want to make sure I'm going to get their discount off of it, so check them out. And then lastly, this is Grandma's Hands by Bill Withers. And this is 27% off right now.
Dawn, sorry, we've got to interrupt. We've got a pursuit we've got to get to right now. But the last item